What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, I've got my review of Method Men Sea & Surf Body Wash. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe, tap that notification bell, and join us. And to my returning friends like Sean McMillan, salute. Now, if you've been watching this channel for any amount of time, you might have started to notice I'm a bit of a body wash junkie. You ever have little small things in life that are just your simple pleasures? For me, one of them is body washes. And because of that slight addiction, I'm always trying out new body washes when I come across them. And one I just picked up recently is Method Men's Sea & Surf. Now, I had been slightly familiar with the Method company. They make a lot of clean products, ones that are plant-based with carefully chosen ingredients that are good for you and the environment. But I never tried any of their products until now. About a week or two ago, I was browsing the shelves at my local Target, and out of the corner of my eye, I saw a body wash that said Method Men. Immediately, I must admit, there was a little bit of confusion. I'm a big Wu-Tang Clan fan. I'm like, Method Man came out with a body wash? But naturally, it's not from the Wu. I just think the name is very coincidental. Actually, might be stopping people from trying it out. I don't know, what do I know? I'm sure they knew what they were doing when they were naming it. But anyway, I decided to grab it, brought it home, and I've been using it every day for about a week. And just like I always do when I come across new products, I want to share the results of my using it with you. So in today's video, I'm going to give a full review of my week of using Method Men Body Wash Sea & Surf. And of course, I'm going to leave a link in the description for this body wash if you want to pick up a bottle or two to try for yourself. So let's hop right into it. Now, when I'm judging a body wash, there's 5 categories I pay attention to most. 1, how well does it lather up? 2, how clean does it get you? 3, how well does it rinse off? 4, what do I think of the scent? And 5, how moisturized does it leave my skin feeling? So with that being said, let me give you my feedback on each of these categories for Sea & Surf by Method Man. I mean, Method Men, not Method Man. That's gonna keep happening, I think. But in any event, the first thing I noticed is that this Method Men body wash lathers up extremely quickly, extremely easily. And I mean noticeably so. There's no fooling around with this one. Lathers up quickly and easily. High marks in lathering for this one. Category 2, how clean does it get you? Now this one, in this category, I'm gonna say it's slightly above average. I mean, it doesn't get you super clean, but it does the job. I give it good marks on how clean it gets you, but not as high a mark as I give it in its lathering up. In my third category, how well does it rinse off? High marks again for this one. Rinses off easily, cleanly, smoothly, and leaves no residue. That's very important to me when I'm using a body wash. Don't want any residue or dry feeling on my skin. If I want that, I'll stick with bar soap. Now in category 4, how is this scent? High marks once again. For this Sea & Surf, it's a clean, nautical, I'd say year-round scent. Not overwhelming, not overpowering, it won't conflict with your cologne. For our last category, how well does it moisturize? I'm gonna give it above average. Now it doesn't leave my skin feeling super moisturized like some of my other favorite ones. I'd say like Dove, Nivea, Aveeno. Those leave you super moisturized. So what's my overall take after having used it for about a week or so? I really like it. Above average marks in lathering, rinsing, and the scent. Could do a slightly better job of cleaning and a slightly better job of moisturizing. So on my overall salute scale from 1 to 10, I'm gonna give the Method Men, there I go again, said it once again, Method Men Sea & Surf 8.5 salutes. Okay, so there you have it. My review of the Method Men Sea & Surf body wash. Let me know in the comments section if you have any experience with this body wash or you recommend a body wash I should try. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, and I'll check you out tomorrow.